Hello everyone, in this video we are going to review the Adcom 4D wireless mouse. I recently bought this on Amazon for 299 rupees. I'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, do check it out. First of all, let's talk about the build and design. The best thing about this mouse is that its design and build quality. The design is very simple and slim. That makes it very much portable. Not only the mouse is a portable one, it also has a stylish look with an yellow border on the front and a glossy black on the back. Now let's check the back side of the mouse. On the back, we have the receiver mounted on the mouse itself so that you won't lose the receiver anytime. The receiver was very small, just like the mouse itself. Let's put the receiver back inside and let's see what else is on the back side of the mouse. We have a power button up here. We can switch off the mouse in order to reduce the battery consumption. Down here we have the battery panel. The mouse runs on two AAA batteries, which is not provided in the box, so you'll have to buy it separately. Let's close this panel and we'll see the mouse in action. Before connecting the mouse, let me tell you about the DPI. The mouse has a DPI button on top of it. The mouse has three different levels of DPI. 800, 1200 and 1600. The DPI determines the speed and accuracy of the cursor movement. The lower one gives much accurate one and the higher one gives a faster movement. I have connected the mouse and recording the screen right now. You can see the difference in the cursor movement according to the DPI levels. As I said earlier, the highest DPI gives a faster movement for everyday usage, while the lowest DPI gives slower movement for accurate works like Photoshop. The mouse is very much comfortable to work with, as you can see. The slim design makes it easier to hold, as the whole mouse can easily fit in your palms. Finally, we are here at the end of the video. I'd recommend this mouse if you're looking for a portable mouse for your laptop or computer. The price seems very much reasonable considering the quality of the product. The slim and sleek design and portability makes it a best choice at this price range. If you're interested in buying this, don't forget to check out the Best Buy link in the description. That's about it for now. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest updates. Follow us on our social media channels to get exclusive contents and updates. Finally, thanks for watching the video till the end. We'll see you soon in another video. Until then, stay tuned.